Okay guys, so we're going to make block 6 today. So first I'm going to do some dimensions. So I'm going to start with this length and this height. That's the rectangle we're building. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to my inventor and I'm going to launch new. I want standard IPT, create. I want a 2D sketch. I'm going to my XY plane. I'm going to make a rectangle that is 8 by 6. So I'm starting in the center, green dot. I come out. It's 8, tab, 6, enter. I want my front. I want to see how far it's extruded. So this is where it's extruded. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's extruded a 5. Okay, so first I have to exit, finish sketch. I'm going to go back to my home screen, create, extrude. I want to extrude at 5, enter. Once again, I'm going back to my home screen. Now, let's go back. I want to start by taking this big chunk out right here. So we know that is 1, 2, 3, 4 in height. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in length. Okay? And 2 in width. So I go over here. I want to start on this surface. So I'm going to sketch, create 2D sketch, and then I choose a surface that I want to draw on. So now going back, I want a rectangle that's 4 by 8. 4 by 8. So I'm going to draw rectangle. I'm going to start in this corner, and I want it 8, tab, height. I'm finished with that. Now, I want to extrude this. So it goes in, we said, you can see this, 2 inches. So 2 inches. So I'm going back to my inventor. I'm going to create, extrude. Now I want it to, so let's put 2 in first and see what happens. I click on the surface that I want to extrude, but it's going out. I want it to go in. So we're going to cut. So it's direction 2, the second one. So once it goes in, we hit OK, and there we go. That's the first part. Now let's go back to our word. Now I want to take this part out right here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in length, 1, 2, 3 in height. We're going back to inventor. I'm going to sketch, create a 2D sketch. I'm working on this surface because this is where the hole is from. I want to remind myself of what the dimensions were. So 4 in length, 3 in height. I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm starting up in this line. Now you see how when I hover over that line, it kind of turns darker or narrower? That's good. That means we're on the line. So let's click once, drag. I want it to be 4, tab 3, enter. There's our hole. However, if we notice here, how far, I'm going to erase just so we can see a little bit clearer. So how far away is this corner from here? It's 1, 2. So we need to go back to inventor and make sure this corner and this are 2 inches apart. So I'm going to constrain, I'm going to dimension. And some of you might not have constrain, that's okay. You click sketch up here. One of these and it should be in there. So dimension, I'm clicking on this corner. You see that yellow, white dot? That's good. That means we're directly on the corner. So I'm going over here. I'm clicking on the white dot. I'm coming over here, clicking on the white dot, and I'm coming up. Click again, and that's 2.05. I want it to just be 2. So now, because I dimensioned this side, I don't need to dimension this side because it's already 2. This is 2 and this is 2. Now I want to go to exit, finish sketch. And I want to do the same thing I did with this piece. But real quick, we're going back. This is about, that's like 1.5. So 1.5, because there's 1 and then a half of 1. So we're extruding 1.5. So we're going to create, extrude. We want this surface. Again, I want it to go inward, so second direction. And I want it to be 1.5 instead of 2. And there we go. There is box 6.